Yes. Go ahead and get you a good look at it. I know it look good. If you want to know how I made this, go ahead and stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, today I'm going to be making chicken and waffles. If you like the video, don't forget to like it. If you dislike the video, don't forget to dislike it. And always don't forget to subscribe, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, you guys, so the first thing we're going to do is rinse our chicken off. It was already unthawed, my hands are washed, kitchen sink is washed. So yeah, I'm just going to get some foil out. I am going to lay my chicken on there. Usually what I would do too, before I even do any of this, is put my oil on, but I forgot. You'll see me go back and do that later. But yeah, right now we are just prepping, and that's about it. Yeah, rinse chicken off, put it on the foil. Sometimes I dry, sometimes I don't. This time I didn't. Alright, so this is where y'all go back and you see me put my oil on. Alright guys, so next what I'm about to do is give me out a bowl, put some flour in it, grab all my seasonings I need to season my chicken, and then begin to flour it, okay? Okay, so the first thing I season with is meat tenderizer. I use this first. After that, I don't really care what I use. Like, there's no order after the meat tenderizer. Lemon pepper. Complete seasoning. Black pepper. And some paprika. I ain't never seen nobody season their chicken with paprika, but I do, and it tastes pretty dang good, so yeah. And then boom, I just flip it, season it all over again, starting with the meat tender. Alright, so yeah, I also season my flour. I don't want to say I use a lot of seasoning in the flour, but yeah. I use more than what I use to season the chicken. Alright you guys, so my grease should be hot by now. I ain't gonna lie, I gave it about a good 30 minutes and I'm watching TV. So yeah, let's finish what we was doing. Alright you guys, so as you can see, we're basically just frying our chicken. Now I already put a couple in there. So yeah, basically what I'm doing is flouring my chicken and dropping them in. I did end up putting all of them in there and letting them fry together, being that they had enough space to fry together. Alright you guys, my boyfriend's home. Good. You can get in the camera. He ain't dressed. So my chicken is all done. I took it out. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour just a little bit of honey. He doesn't really like that much honey on there, so I'm just gonna do like a little spoon.
That's how many pills should be.
Not that much. That was probably a lot, but yeah. So this is my chicken. I'm gonna put it in the ice box. I mean, not the ice box. I'm gonna put it in the I don't know what to say. Put it in the microwave to, you know, keep it hot, whatever. To the
in the kitchen, we're twisting like a stir fry.
Alright, so I'm gonna be using this bowl for my pancakes and my waffles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in this bowl, wrap it up in the ice box, probably use it for tomorrow.
Yeah, what you gonna do? You gonna use it for tomorrow?
Yes.
What you gonna cook tomorrow?
I don't know, probably some pork chops. You got pork chops?
No, we ain't got no pork chops. I ain't got pork chops.
Alright y'all, so obviously I done been somewhere. We went, made a few errands, did all that good stuff. It was her sister's birthday, so we went to go wish her happy birthday and things like that. So yeah, now I'm about to finish my pancakes. Right now I'm just rinsing out my bowl that I used to flour my chicken in, and I'm going to be using that same bowl for my pancake mix. Alright you guys, so I forgot to mention that I'm using complete mix, which is basically where I just have to add water or milk. I would have just used milk, but obviously I ran out of it, so yeah, I added a little bit of water in there. Alright you guys, so now it's time for the fun. I'm using my little cute waffle maker that my auntie bought for me. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just taking 2 full teaspoons at that, putting it in the waffle maker, closing it down. Now, on the waffle maker, I'll put the brand of this down in the description box, but it'll let you know when it's done. There's like a little light on the top. I should have showed you guys, but it's blue. And basically when the light shuts off, it lets you know that your waffle maker is done. Sometimes I open it before then, you know, simply because I like my waffles a little soft, you know what I'm saying, fluffy, not really hard. But as you see, I do go back after taking some of them out and put them back in, simply because I just wanted a little bit more firmness, you know what I'm saying. I don't want them completely soft, but I don't want them completely hard either. I kind of want them in the middle, but a little more on the soft side. Alright, you guys, so me and my boyfriend 5 waffles each. So basically what I'm going to do with the rest of this pancake mix is wrap it up and save it for tomorrow in the morning. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just going to decorate my little waffles. Yeah, I like my plates to look really decorative when I get done. I'm going to clean my mess up, my little waffle maker up, and then yeah, I'm going to warm my food up. Alright, you guys, so this is basically the end. The food is all done, and basically what I'm about to do now is just warm it up. My idiot self forgot to zoom out, so basically this is how this is the view of the end. So yeah, y'all, I started getting hot, and I'm wondering what it is, right? So I go check the thermostat, and y'all, it's 75 degrees here. 75 degrees. So yeah, I turned it down to 65. Alright, you guys, as you can see, the food is all done. I was super happy to do this, you know what I'm saying, the recording process, the whole cooking process. I really did enjoy it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like it. If you dislike it, don't forget to dislike it, okay? My goal is to reach 45 subscribers. I want to thank everybody for their support, okay? So yes, go ahead, hit the subscription button, and bye. I really hope you liked the video.